Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have, I believe this is another purse that I bought. I believe this is an eBay purchase. So I am getting toward the end of what I am looking for. So there won't be too many more of these. All right. So, oh, looky. All right. Well, I like it. I am pretty much obsessed with this turn lock. So this is a smaller one than the ones I've been picking up. I thought this was a cute color. It's kind of like it's almost like a yellow, but it's a beige. I think that is really cute. And I like the lining. It's pretty clean too. Got quite a bit of room in here. Got the patch back here. Let's see. There's that. The zipper pocket. This one was maintained pretty good. Look at like feel of this leather. The hardware looks pretty good. I am really liking this style of purse. All right. Really cute. All right. So my favorite is a little bit bigger. So this has come to be my favorite so far. I love this. But I thought I would try a smaller one. And this is a tan. And this is a beige. It looks a little yellowish, but I would say that this is a beige. Maybe even a tan, like a very light tan. But anyway, I thought that I would share that with you guys. And that is all for this video. Talk to you later. Bye.